Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Precision to introduce myself, Suci Wulansari, NPM 2213022015. Here I will explain a little about the material about acceleration. Have a good time watching. If that's true in all overamount, for example, it's equal to every apple of force to an object, it means that its speed will change later, rate or the acceleration will appear on the object. When we have a force and the force is a vector, it will cause acceleration. This is a symbol, namely the convention or agreement of physics that in general we write acceleration for that force, we write v, but this was an agreement in ancient times. A communication is still not as not is physics formulas. When we have a force and the force is a vector, it will cause acceleration. This is a symbol, namely the convention or agreement of physics that in general we write a acceleration for that force, we write f, but this was an agreement in ancient times. A communication is still not as good as now its physics formulas. In Russia, in the Soviet one, it looked very different from the physics formulas that exist in Europe or in the United States or on the Asian continent and so on. Why? Because the Russia have their own agreement with letter F as with letter acceleration is as, if not misspelled, the letter W like that and so on. The such are just those symbols in physics, in all the physics or in math or in the word or biology. The symbols are just an agreement of scans in the file, so don't be too. What is the name of the sweet tooth? What is that acceleration? Must be their thing that our observation yesterday. If there is a force on an object, for on an example object, the we call the objective. For example, this is a black tin, we call it like that, right? No, that means we have a force to this block on the ground, then the block will have an acceleration with sign mathematical. It is direct proportional. What does it mean? If the F is bigger then the is bigger the F. For example, if we make the image same, for example, if we pull it oblique but pull it straight here, for example, if we add a letter F, it means we pass hard, so the change in velocity of the object we are approximate smart or change in velocity or acceleration will be great. It's big, then that means it's direct proportional. It means if the magnitude of is increased, the acceleration is great, the change in velocity is great. But if f reduced, initially we pass hard, we pass slow, or we fall when we pass the cupboard. For example, I first pass the cupboard hard and then we got there so slow. It means that the change in the speed of the wardrobe is initial, like so the names become small. It means that from this relationship, the relationship is direct proportional. Then we think about mathematics. only this style, not the mathematics. Always this is style, not set spring, brother and sister. Why? Because we can't know if the F is Nisa, the F is the shift of the F to the right is 5. For example, from this relationship, we don't know how much the is. This is direct proportional to the relation equal to the sum as the points. We are the points. What eldest on the trick is after the action physics, after make experiment, after conducting research and so on, it turns out that they conclude. Do we call it mass? Why the symbol and is mass, which if you are there, you are already familiar with the concept of actual mass in everyday life. Days of the third period are cell y, for example, 5, 40, 30, for example, 40, that the time in physics. So have in terms of y in everyday life, that is the term in mass in physics. So every log here, if the mass is get here, for example, a large cupboard, right? If we give the force, we give a large force, then the acceleration will be small way because the mass is already, this time it's the sum as that if Joule is already 8, then the is small compared to if the mass is 2, for example, so it can be less, so it stays the same as 10, right? So from this formula, from this relationship, we can conclude that it turns out that if the greater the mass of the object, the weight of the object here, the mass of the object, the greater its mass of we give the force F this meal it is, and that is in accordance with our observation. Right now, let's think about it again. The ball gets hurt, later we kick the ball. Rather, the is getting bigger or smell of like it. If a outcome is not a type ball, if what we get is, for example, a trash can filled with garbage, so it's heavy, right? If the mass is big, it's about the same what kick power as when kicking the ball is the getting small of me the like that to observe the direct in the nature around us. But when we will discuss more about this relationship, the relation between F and E is what we call the love. That is all, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.